Hi, in this lesson we are going to see how to store our data in a CSV file. So for that, I am using a new HTML file. I leave you this file in the resources. You can download it and work with it. So first of all, as usual, from BS4, import Beautiful Soup, and we are going also to import CSV model. And then we have to open our HTML file to work with it. But before that, we have to import it here to be able to work with it. So for that, I will go back to my web scraping folder and then I will upload this file. So this is my file. I named it CSV and then upload, and this is okay. It's already uploaded here. So I go back, open this file with open CSV.html, so I will open it in reading mode. So R as file and then HTML content equal file dot read. And then I will parse this content. So with beautiful soup, soup equal beautiful soup, HTML content, and then HTML dot parser. And then I'm going to see this. So here the goal is to extract each pillar, so shahada, salat, zakat, and its description. All the pillars here are inside list items with a class equal to pillar. For that, pillars equal soup.findAll list items with a class equal to pillar. And I will make a list in which I will append the values one by one. So the list must be an empty list to start with through all the pillars. So for pillar in pillars, the name will be equal pillar dot find h2, because as you can see here, the pillar is inside an h2 element and the description is inside the p element. Sorry, here h2 dot text, and then the description will be equal to pillar of p element dot text, and then I will append those two values to this list. So data dot append name description, and then I will create my CSV file. So CSV file name equal to pillars of Islam dot CSV, and then I will open it in writing mode. So with open CSV file name in writing mode, then the new line, and then encoding equal UTF as CSV file, CSV writer equal CSV writer of CSV file, then CSV writer dot write row. So here it's pillar name. So here this is for the header of our table, pillar name and description. This is the first row, and then CSV writer dot write row, and here it will write the data. This is the data that we made here in the for loop. And to be sure that this working well, I will show a message. So print f string data has been extracted and saved to CSV file name. So let's run our code and see what happens. Sorry, I made a mistake here, so I didn't write .find. So let's run it. Maybe I made another mistake. Here, this is the mistake. File name. I made another error here, CSV dot writer. So you can learn a lot with your errors. It's okay now. Data has been extracted and saved to pillars of Islam.csv. Let's go back to our directory, our folder here, and see the CSV, the pillar of Islam. So this is the file. So here it made me all in one line. Maybe I made another error. Yes, here right rows. Not right row because it's not one row. So Control Enter. Let's check it another time. And now this is okay. So Shahida in a line, Salat in a line, Zakat in a line, Saum in another line, and Hajj in another line. You can save it as an Excel file. You can file, save, or download. You can download it. This is my file. I can open it. And this is it. This is okay. You can see it better like that. So this is the header for the table, pillar name and description. And here the 5 pillars of Islam, and here the description of each pillar. So this was for storing data in a CSV file. I wish you found this helpful. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.